In this video, I want to demonstrate how to create a simple circular feature pattern. So the first thing I'm going to do is come up to the feature ribbon, choose the drop-down arrow below linear pattern and select circular pattern. So up here, it's asking for the axis of rotation. So I'm going to come over to the all-seeing eye and I'm going to tell it to show temporary axis. Click in white space. You'll see I have many temporary axes. I want to choose this axis. So I've chose that, and I can tell it how many instances on their spacing, or I can say equally spaced amongst this angle. And I'm going to go with equal spacing. I'll set the spacing to 360 degrees, the number of instances 12. I don't want a direction 2. Here I have to tell it what features are faced. I'm going to click here to tell it features, and I can select the feature here in the graphics area, or by expanding the tree and selecting it from the feature tree. The pattern looks good, or the preview, so I'll say OK. I'm going to come back to the all-seeing eye and turn off the view of the temporary axis because I don't like to see them, and I pattern this around my ball 12 times.